Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Lexus RX 350 and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before doing the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the color scheme of the rim. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we want to make sure we prep the rim. So to prep it, you could use any cleaning solution, just as long as you remove any contaminant or any coating that the rim might have. So we want a clean and dry installation for this one. So for this install, the rim size is rim 20. So just make sure that the rim size that you have on your vehicle matches the one that we have here. So with this one, start by aligning it from one end, tack it down, give yourself material to tack down on top here, and then just work your way and following the design here and do the same here. It should be like this. So once you finish installing this one, what I recommend doing is adding heat all around the edge and everywhere on the film. That way it sticks better to the rim and it doesn't lift over time. And then you would just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did for this one to the remaining sections. Okay, and once you finish installing all of the pieces, the last thing is to seal it off with this piece. So this one, just align it right in the middle. It's not going to cover the chrome of where the Lexus emblem is at. It's just covering the chrome of the rim. So align it as best as possible and bring it in. You can always lift and fix it. Okay, and now the last thing you do is just applying heat right in the middle to secure it. So the last thing to do once you finish installing the whole set for the rim is just post heating all around. That way we help the film tack down to the rim and it doesn't lift over time. So just post heat all around to secure it. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete for the 2022 Lexus RX 350. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.